Create an emergency cookstation in a big family kitchen so you can feed everyone during outages or fast gatherings without scrambling. Start by planning a transfer switch-ready outlet that ties into your meter main through a licensed electrician so you can safely connect a generator without backfeed risks. Run a dedicated circuit sized for a portable induction cooktop and label the breaker clearly so the circuit is isolated for emergency cooking loads only. Consider a battery backup sized for small appliances like slow cookers and a hot plate. Choose a pure sine wave inverter and match the battery capacity to expected runtime. For example, a battery bank that provides 2 to 4 hours for low wattage devices. Create an outdoor prep area with a properly installed propane hookup and a quick disconnect rated for cooking appliances to keep combustion heat and fumes outside the house. Install a quick plug station with weather-resistant inlets and outlets mounted at countertop height so you can move portable cooktops or slow cookers without reaching for extension cords. Finally, draft a simple operating checklist for your household that covers power source selection, fuel storage, ventilation needs, safe appliance placement, and step-by-step startup and shutdown procedures so anyone can follow them calmly under stress. People often try to run a generator directly into a house outlet, which risks dangerous backfeed, so always use a transfer switch-ready outlet or an interlock device and have a pro install it. Another common mistake is undersizing the circuit or battery, which causes tripped breakers or premature shutdowns. So calculate continuous load in watts and add a safety margin, then choose wiring and protection accordingly. A third issue is poor ventilation and unsafe indoor propane or open flame use, so place combustion appliances outside or in a well-ventilated area and use carbon monoxide alarms on every level of the home to monitor air quality. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors to design and install emergency power and cookstation solutions, and we also help contractors find work in their service area. We host a discussion community where we and other members share practical tips, product experiences, and step-by-step project advice.